Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody is taking a 7-sided polygon and hitting P, put in the center of the page. But what they're doing is this right here. They're going from a 2-point line from that center to the node to the center. And I'm going to group these together, Control G, and I'm going to rotate them 360 divided by 7. Well, I didn't make a duplicate. Control D, 360 divided by 7. And they're not getting even matches, and they can't figure it out. Well, I think what's happening is I want to draw a polygon with 8 sides. And then I'm going to put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to change it to a 7. Look at the difference now from the X to the center. This is the true center, the indexing lines. So now if we go from not the center of our object, it's going to say, well, it will say center. I'm going to go to the node down to my indexing lines. Node down my indexing lines. And if we group that together, it probably already is, Control G, Control D and duplicate it. Move the center rotation to that. See, and there's another thing, you've got to be dead on for this to work. And at that time it got it. Now we're going to rotate it 360 divided by 7. I didn't make a copy. Oh, I did. See how now the line's perfect? So another way you can do that is with just this one item, and we're just going to show it. I'm going to smart fill this with the smart fill tool. We'll just use that orange. And let's nudge it over twice, and let's don't get rid of them, but just nudge them over. We might need them again. Nudge this back twice. Let's go ahead and make it a little fancier, so we'll put the interactive fill tool on it. I missed it. And you know, if you click on that and then double click on your box, it'll put black there. Let's call that good. Now what I'm going to do is move. I don't have to make a duplicate. I'm going to go that node. That's the only thing I don't like about indexing lines. Sometimes okay, we're there. Now I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Transform. Yours might say Transformation, depending on what version. Now I'm going to write in 360 divided by 7. And I need 6 copies, because when Corel says copies, they mean they're going to keep the original and make copies. Now you have perfectly aligned, and we can kind of prove it by left click, no fill, right click, outline, and there's only one line there. So it divided it perfectly. I don't know what the 7-sided polygon represents, but that's how I would do it. You've got to make sure you start off perfect. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.